Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the essentials: phone with DroidJoy Lite and a Windows PC with the server app. Connect via USB debugging for lowest latency, or match both devices on the same Wi-Fi if wireless. Once done, launch the server on PC and grant any firewall prompts so traffic can pass. On your phone, open DroidJoy Lite and select the connection method. This is the first actionable step because a stable link prevents input dropouts later. You now configure the virtual controller. Pick a profile that matches your game, gamepad, joystick, or custom. Then map buttons and analog axes by tapping a control on screen and pressing the corresponding physical input. This is how DroidJoy translates touch to game input. Make sure to set sensitivity and dead zone to avoid drift and enable vibration if needed. Once mapped, use the server's diagnostic panel to verify each input registers correctly before proceeding to gameplay. You finish by saving your profile and starting the server with your chosen connection. Launch your game and confirm controls behave as expected. If something feels off, recheck mapping and fine-tune sensitivity. For persistent lag, prefer USB or move devices closer on Wi-Fi and avoid crowded channels. If the server doesn't detect the phone, restart the server and phone, reauthorize ADB or firewall rules, and reselect the interface. This single troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.